Imagine looking up at the night sky. You see all the familiar stars and the moon, but one night a new star appears. It is not twinkling like the others. It is a steady, bright point of light. Each night it grows brighter and bigger. Soon you can see it during the day. This is not a star. It is another planet, hurtling toward us under the pull of gravity. Two worlds begin a cosmic dance that can end only in collision. The final days are terrible and beautiful as the approaching world fills our view. The collision itself is a process, not a single event. At contact, a shock wave erupts through both planets, a pressure front racing faster than sound through rock, compressing and shattering all in its path. On the far side, the ground heaves as energy converges. Entire continents fracture, tear loose, and drift on a sea of molten rock. The kinetic energy is staggering, dwarfing all nuclear weapons combined. At ground zero, rock vaporizes into an expanding cloud hotter than the sun's surface. Heat and pressure forge an enormous fireball that engulfs vast regions. Rock flows like liquid, splashing outward in magma waves hundreds of kilometers high, burying landscapes and boiling oceans. As atmospheres touch, an incandescent sheath forms. From the ground, the whole sky looks on fire. If you're loving this alternate reality so far, then make sure to subscribe, because here at Fact Infinity Verse, every new what if opens another side of the universe. The oceans, covering over 70% of Earth, react with violence. Near impact, water flashes to steam, carving a vast void. Farther away, seismic shocks spawn tsunamis we can barely comprehend. Mountains of water, moving at jetliner speeds. They scour continents clean, overtop mountain ranges, and drag debris and boiling water inland. Molten ejecta rains back, superheating the air to self-cleaning oven temperatures. Planet-wide wildfires load the sky with soot, dust, and toxic gases from vaporized crust. The sky turns fiery orange, then black. As heat subsides, immense steam feeds torrential rain, hot, acidic downpours that can last years or centuries, carving new canyons into cooling rock. Reformed oceans become chemical soup, mineral-rich, acidic, hostile to survivors. A significant fraction of atmosphere can be blown off. What remains is rebuilt by volcanic gases, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and more. After the fire comes the cold. Dust and soot form a thick global veil that blocks sunlight. The planet plunges into profound darkness, a cosmic winter lasting decades or more. Photosynthesis stops, plants die, phytoplankton vanish, temperatures plummet even at the equator. A mass extinction follows. Herbivores starve, carnivores soon after. Food webs collapse, only the hardiest survive. Microbes deep underground, insulated in rock. Vent ecosystems persist without sunlight, drawing energy from chemicals and Earth's internal heat. Over years, dust slowly settles. Sunlight returns, first twilight, then day. Ice retreats, revealing valleys carved and mountains ground down by crushing weight. Meltwater floods oceans, diluting acidity and beginning the long healing of the hydrosphere. Over thousands to millions of years, the planet stabilizes. A new, pristine crust forms as the global magma ocean cools. Volcanoes pour lava, vent gases, and build a fresh atmosphere. Continents and oceans rearrange, an entirely new map of Earth. Life's pioneers rise from deep rock and ocean vents. Microbes colonize land and sea, processing chemicals and preparing habitats. With returning sunlight, photosynthesis revives, seeding oxygen for a new biosphere. With old ecosystems gone, countless niches open. Evolution takes unpredictable paths. The life that emerges may look nothing like before, shaped by a remade world. A planetary collision destroys and creates. It can forge a new moon, a new atmosphere, a new surface. In the cosmos, the end of one world can be the birth of another. Mind blown yet? Tell me which what if you want next in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because at Fact Infinity Verse we turn curiosity into reality.